Yeah, hello, bye, कैसे है? What? You want to do revision of all the subjects before NEET exam, but you don't have enough time and want to leave a subject? We'll do one thing. We'll leave medicine, okay? So Friday, no? Yeah, okay, bye. Yeah, hello, Macha, how are you? How is your preparation going? What? You want an extra day for pathology and pharmacology, but don't know how to fit into your schedule? We'll do one thing. We gave medicine 4 days now. Cut off 2 days and give 1 day for each pathology and pharmacology. Okay, yeah. Medicine 2 days also too much, Macha. Very big subject. Anyway, we can't complete everything. Okay, yeah. Don't worry. Take care. Bye. So, how many of you are planning the same way, thinking of opting out my subject, general medicine? Most of you have a feeling that we are left with 25 days to exam, and in order to revise everything, we need to opt out big subjects like medicine or surgery, right? But when I'm here, this time I'm not going to let it happen for you. Surgery is not my territory, but for medicine, I have a whole lot of different plan for you. As we are expecting a clinical pattern of MCQ, I think everything is linked with medicine. And of course, it's a high scoring subject, it shouldn't be left out that easily. So I have made 10 set of topics that you shouldn't miss before you go to NEET exam for every one of you. But to know what are those 10 set of topics and what is my mission medicine, you need to stay with me till the end of this video. And also do subscribe to my channel Dr. JTM, as crucial aspects that are needed in the last few days to NEET exam will be posted in my channel. With no delay, let's get into the video. Hey guys, this is Dr. JT, General Medicine Resident and a part-time YouTuber, and I welcome you to my channel Dr. JTM. I thank Pranika Walat, Dimple Bakuni and Pankaj Vaishnav for being a loyalty member of JTM family. And you guys can also be a family member of JTM by taking the loyalty membership. And also I thank all the people who gave me a tremendous response to my stick notes PDF. All those messages saying that they could see improvement in their GT scores, and also they could see questions coming from those stick notes are really making me more happy and pushing me to do much of such kind for you. If you haven't yet got those last minute revision stick notes, then go get it. The link is given below. So as I said in this video, I will be telling you what are the 10 set of topics in medicine that are mandatory to study before you go to NEET exam, right? Not only just listing them out, but I will tell you where you need to stress more in those topics. Why did I say mandatory in the first place? Because we all know medicine is a vast subject you will ever study in your life, but will MBE ask MCQs from all those topics? No, he won't. But from medicine, there are few set of topics which are real favorite to MBE. He will not miss MCQs from some topics. Those are repeated every year. Even with the change in the trend, those topics will not be missed by MBE in NEET exam. So with my analysis, I have listed them and made into 10 sets. Let's see what are they. First set, cardiology. Every set I name will have at least 4 to 5 topics which are high yield and are most repeated topics in last 5 years in NEET PG. Make a note of it. This is the key for you to excel in medicine. So from cardiology, arrhythmias and antiarrhythmic drugs. A direct ECG diagnosis and ECG given, and they will ask the drug of choice in arrhythmias are being asked from this topic. Atrial fibrillation and management. The anticoagulant therapy used in atrial fibrillation and complications phase are concentrated. Heart failure, one topic that is most commonly asked clinically with X-rays. Cardiomyopathies are the hot cake topics for NBE. Gross microscopic pathology and stains used will be asked by mentioning the symptoms and causes. Set 2. Emergency medicine, BLS, ACLS protocol and GCS. These are the topics that you need to know when you are in ER or in wards. So in NEET, in order to know your basic skills, these topics are being asked repeatedly, so concentrate on them. Set 3. Neurology, PCS stroke and syndromes associated. Most confusing yet easy if you link the posterior circulation and study. Syndromes in neurology are always been a favorite for NB. EDH, SDH and SAH. Small topics where the CT brain images will be given and will ask management or blood vessels involved. Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's. These two topics are on the top of the list in neurology. Pathological picture and genetics involved and newer drugs given are always in radar of NEET exam. Set 4. Nephrology, AKA with CKD. The criteria involved in the clinical differentiation between AKA and CKD and all about dialysis will be the most important zone here. Renal stone is another topic where the type of stones with urine microscopic picture is being asked, so look into them. Set 5. ABG, EEG and ECG. At least 2 to 3 MCQs from these 3 topics is being stressed, and you should know the minimum basics from them in order to solve these MCQ. So not in depth, know the diagnostic basics. Set 6, Rheumatology. SLE is the most favorite for NBE recently, as many SLE cases are being reported in India and many new treatment modalities are being introduced for SLE. This topic is always important that you shouldn't miss. Sjogren syndrome, polymyositis and dermatomyositis are the direct image-based MCQs, so while studying them, Google the images and have a look at them on spot. Rheumatoid arthritis, named features and DMARD drugs are the focus topics that are being asked in NEET PG exam. Set 7, Endocrinology. Men syndrome, Cushing syndrome and features in hyper and hypothyroidism are very much important, where the clinical features and physiology of hormones is important to be noted. Diabetes mellitus, another hot cake topic. No NEET PG paper will be given without a question from diabetes. Either the SPM part or the drugs part, very high yield area. Set 8, respiratory system. Okay, I think I don't need to mention this. You guys being the COVID batch to write NEET PG, COVID-19 related everything is important, and also the similar diseases like ARDS, pneumonia are all important and will confuse you with features and images. So compare and study, it will be easy for you. Set 9, Gastroenterology. IBD, the most frequently asked area in NEET PG paper. Both ulcerative colitis and Crohn's are being repeatedly asked by comparing the clinical features. So study them without confusion. H. pylori peptic ulcer, acute appendicitis, pancreatitis and gallstones are very much common cases in gastro. So these will be asked from medicine or surgical perspective, so look into them and don't miss these topics. Set 10, Hematology. Hodgkin's lymphoma, AML with CML and multiple myeloma. These are the prime topics that you shouldn't miss. Especially the genetics part and pathological features and drug regimens involved are very commonly asked. Those are all the 10 set of topics, but that's not the end. There is a miscellaneous set in which the topics are second priority but can expect sure short questions. They are hypertension, anti-seizure, anti-TB, anti-malarial drugs, amyloidosis. These are the topics that I listed from my analysis which were being stressed one or the other way, so don't forget having an eye on them. So these are most commonly asked and repeatedly asked and most stressed areas of medicine from NEET PG point of view, which I have analyzed from last 5 to 6 year question papers. Now you guys might think, sir, it will be really great if you give all the topics under one roof in a single book so that we can review it quickly. Yes, I'm there and I will take care. I'm working on it from few days. If you're following me on my Instagram, you must have known it, because I'm posting these topics as spot revision notes on daily basis. If you're not following me on Instagram, the link is given below. Go follow me and check those spot revision notes. This medicine spot revision notes will be comprising of all the 10 set of topics that I have told you so far. Everything that is needed will be written and given to you as a PDF format. I will release that spot revision notes very shortly, like I did for stick notes. I know you guys had very less time for NEET, so I'm trying to get it as soon as possible. Don't worry, this spot revision notes is your medicine magic to score well. And that's all for today. Hope you guys loved this video and also all my other videos with strategies to score well in NEET PG. Continue the same love by subscribing to my channel and also by liking and sharing my videos. Definitely my next video will be about the medicine spot revision notes. Till then, bye, see you again.